Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do Excel 2021 in practice chapter 7 independent project 7-6. I have done this assignment many times for many students. I will do this assignment step by step and you will get done your assignment by watching my complete video. If you need complete solution of this assignment or if you want me to do this assignment, then you can easily contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in description of this video. I can also do Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel and Access. So if you are busy or if you are not able to do your assignment, then don't worry because I am available for your help. I will provide you a plus grade in this assignment. You can hire me for your complete courses and I will provide you a plus grade in your complete course and you will be happy with my work. Now start the assignment from step number 1. Total step of this assignment are 11. Sorry, 8 because 9, 10 and 11 are not important. Last 3 steps are not graded. So we have just 8 steps in this assignment. The title of assignment is Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 7 Independent Project 7-6. Okay, before starting the assignment, you will see project description. You can read this to get information about this assignment. And next are file needed to do this assignment. These are files which will be used to do this assignment. Next are skills covered in this project. These are skills. After applying these all skills, you will be able to get 100% grade and you will be able to upload the assignment files dates. And next is step to complete this project. We have 8 steps in this assignment. So first step is open the Hamilton CC start file and click enable editing button. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. In this question we just need to enable editing button and then our file will be automatically renamed to include your name. So just go to Excel sheet and you will see that I have already enabled editing button and my file is now renamed by Excel 2021 chapter 7 independent project 7-6. Okay, so question number 1 is complete. I am going to do question number 2 because question number 1 was just enable editing button. Question number 2 has part A, B, C, D, E. So first part of question number 2 is right click the spin button control on daily sheet tab. In this question we need to right click on spin button. This is spin button. In cell B5 right click on cell B5. Okay, to select spin button. Next part is view the setting on control tab. Note that the linked cell to the left of the control display the result. In this question we need to review the setting on the control tab. So first right click on spin button, go to format tab. You will see format control and you will see 5 tabs: size, protection, properties, all text and last is control. So we need to review settings in control tab. You can review. And next part is part C. Click the protection sheet tab and next is select the locked box. In this question we need to select protection sheet tab and deselect the lock box. Go to Excel sheet and go to format cell, format control box and click on protection sheet tab and you will see that lock is selected. So unlock this and next is part D. Click all text tab and add the following this sentence. So first we will copy this sentence, control C and then paste into all text tab. Go to all text tab and press Ctrl V. Okay, this sentence is now pasted. And next part of question number 2 is part E, that is last part. Click OK. So just click OK and close format control box. So I have done question number 2. Now I'm going move. So I have done question number 2. Now I'm going to move on to question number 3. Copy and edit form controls. So question number 3 has part A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and last is I. So our part A is confirm that control is selected. So confirm that control is already selected. Next part is part B. Copy it to clipboard and paste it. In this question I will use clipboard to copy this spin button and paste into cell B7. So control C, and you can use control C to copy this pin button, but I will use clipboard to copy this pin button. And then press control V, but I will use clipboard. Okay. Next part is part C. Drag the copied control to cell C7. I will drag the copied control, that is this one, cell C7. Okay. So I have done part C of question number 3. Now I am going to do part D. Paste again and drag the second copy to cell C9. Now I will again paste. So first I will copy this, right click on this one to copy this, and then I will paste it into cell C9. Select cell C9 and press Ctrl V to paste it. And next part is part E of question number 3. Paste 3 times and position the control as shown in figure. Okay, I will paste 3 times so that each pin will be located on cell C9, C11, C13 and C15. So first I will control C, but I will use right click to copy this. And the next is you will select cell C11 and press Ctrl V. Again select cell C13, press Ctrl V, select cell C15, Ctrl V. Okay. So you can see that, and you will verify this image with the daily sheet. Okay, now I'm going to do part F of this question. Select all 6 control and align them on right. Okay, so I will use Control A to select all controls, and then I will align right. So you will see shape format tab, click on this one, and you will see arrange group, this one, and click on align button and click on align right. Okay, so I have done part F. Now I'm going to move on part G. Part G is right click the control in cell C7 and change the cell link to cell B7. So first right click on cell C7. This is cell C7. Right click on the cell C7, open the control box, and then change cell link to cell B7. So first we will copy this cell B7, control C, and then go to Excel sheet and go to control tab, and then delete this cell link, control V, and then click OK. So next part is part H. Edit the linked cell for each of the control. Now I will edit each cell for each of the control. Now first we will select cell C5, right click on this one, go to format control, and you will see that B5 is selected and our cell is already C5, and then click OK. Now we will move to cell C9 because I have already set cell C7. Now I will set cell C9. You will see that C9 is now B5, so change it to cell C9. Just click OK. Next is cell C11. Right click on this one, click on format control, and then go to control tab. And next is change it to cell C11. Just click OK. Last is C13. Change it to cell C13 and just click OK. And last is C15 and go to control tab, change it to cell C15 and just simply click OK. So I have added all the controls. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part I. Delete any value that display in column B. So column B showing zero value, so we need to delete this value. Select this value and press delete. Okay, so I have done three questions of this assignment. If you need complete solution of this assignment, or if you want me to do this assignment, then you can easily contact me through my WhatsApp or email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description of this video. Now I'm going to do next question of this assignment, that is question number 4. Insert a list box form control. So question number 4 has part A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and last is H. First part of this question is part A. Display the developer tab on the ribbon if it not shown. In this question, we need to show developer tab, but developer tab is already shown at the top of ribbon. So for confirmation, we need to select any in the ribbon tab. Click on ribbon tab and you will see this dialog box is now open and our developer tab is already selected. Simply click OK. So next part is part B. Select cell E2 and unlock it. This will be the linked cell for the control. In this question, we will select cell E2 and we will unlock cell E2. So just select cell E2. This is column E and this is cell E2. Right click on this one. Sorry. This will be the linked for the control. We will go to developer tab. So just select cell E2, right click on cell E2 and go to format cells, and you will see protection tab at the last. Okay, and unlock the cell E2. You will see that cell E2 is locked. So unlock this one and click OK. So cell E2 is now unlocked. Our next part is part C of question number 4. Draw a list box control to cover cell E2 to F2. Now, I will draw a list box that will be covered to range E2 to F2. So, go to Excel sheet and you will see developer tab. Go to developer tab. Go to controls groups and you will see insert button. Click on insert button and you will see all box. In this box click on list box. Okay, our list box is now inserted, and then drag it to E2 to F2. This is a E2, drag to F2, set it to F2. Okay, now part C is complete. I'm going to do next part of this question, that is part D. Format the control to use the list on datasheet and assign cell E2 as the linked cell. In this question, I will format control to use list on the data sheet. So format the control to use the list on data sheet and assign cell E2. So our part C is complete. Now I'm going to do next part, that is part D of question number 4. Format the control to use the list on data sheet and assign cell E2 as the linked cell. So in this question, we will use E2 as the linked cell and we will use range in data sheet. Go to Excel sheet, right click on this one, go to format control. Okay, and again go to control tab. You will see two argument, input range, cell link. We will use data and we will use data sheet for the input argument. Click on input range and go to data sheet and select A1 to A6 for the input range and select cell link, and then we need to select E2 for the cell link. E2 as the cell linked, type E2. Okay, and next part is party verify that selection type is single. Okay, you will see selection type in control tab, that is single is already selected. And now I'm going to do next part of this question. Deselect the log property on the protection tab. This unlock the actual control. Now we will deselect the locked property on protection tab. This is protection tab. Unlock this and next is part G. Size the control to reach row 4. So first we will click on this one and then size this box to reach to row 4. Okay, you will verify this. Okay, and next is last part of question number 4. Select cell A3. Just go to Excel sheet and select cell A3. So I have done 4 questions of this assignment and total questions are 8, and your 60% assignment is complete. If you need complete solution of this assignment, or if you want me to do this assignment, then I am available for your help. I will provide you 90 plus grade in your all assignments and you will be happy with my work. Thanks for watching my video. Like my video and subscribe my channel.